welcome to Chrisman Garage here. We got a 2019 Chevrolet this morning. We're going to be putting some LEDs in these new turn signals down here. We're going to do a walk around right quick. We've got a Z71 model. As you can see, this truck stays in the mud. It stays in the mud all the time because it's a trail boss. Now the trail boss version, the only thing that means is that this truck, if it goes out on a trail with a bunch of other vehicles, a bunch of other trucks, that it's going to do the least amount of work and get the most amount of credit. So these trucks are made to be in the mud. You can see the mud caked up underneath this truck. I mean, it's just all the time on the trail. Now these red hooks up here, as you can see, this is not something that just comes factory. This is something you got to add on. This adds at least 50 or 75 horsepower to the actual vehicle. It helps you get out of muddy situations all the time. But you know, there's a lot of these videos showing how to change these things out. They're saying you got to come in here and take all these torque screws out and pull this thing out and reach up in there. I just want y'all to show y'all something. If you look right down in here, nothing has been removed, just the hood been popped. You can see the little flat piece down there. We're gonna pull it right out. Watch this. We're gonna reach right down in here. You're probably not gonna be able to see for that, but I get my hand right on it here. I say I can. There we go. Look at that. Quarter turn, pop it right out. There it is. All we're gonna do is just unplug this. We get our little non-hyper flash LEDs here. We're gonna pull them right on out, just like so. They're gonna plug right in, as you see, just like that. That's simple. And then we're gonna put it right back in that same hole. And all it's gonna be is a quarter turn. Done. That's simple. Same process on the other side. You come over to the other side, I can reach right down in there. Quarter turn. Pop it out. There it is. We'll get the other one in here. Just like so. It just goes right back in there. Quarter turn. Easy peasy. Lemon squeeze. All right, guys, let me talk a little bit about this, learn something on y'all just for a second here. Now, LEDs are normally polarity sensitive. So if you notice, you've got one little boss here, two little bosses on top. If you put it in with the words down, it won't work. You put it in with the words up, that's gonna change your polarity and it's gonna work like it's supposed to. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. LED, non-LED. You see the difference. All right, guys, I got a little update for y'all. You know, we always tend to mess things up around here. And if you notice right here, see this little oval hole that has a no pressure wash symbol on it? That's the intake for your engine. It goes over to your air box over here. Well, if you're working on your lights, putting your LEDs in, don't set your lights right here because they're gonna fall down into your intake. But luckily, something on these lights is magnetic. So we were able to pull it back out with a little magnetic, extendable magnetic thing here.